Chapter 13, Surface Area and Volume. Exercise 13.4, question number 3, 4 and 5. The first question is this. A cap is shaped like a frustum of a cone. If the radius of the open side is 10 centimeter and radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter and slant height is 15 centimeter, find the area of the material used. What is given? Radius of the open side is 10 centimeter. That means here 10 centimeter is the radius, is R1, and radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter. This R2 I have taken as 4 centimeter, and the slant height is given as 15 centimeter. Here it is given, slant height is given. Slant height L is given as 15 centimeter. Actually it is a cap. So this part is closed and this part is open. What is the question? What you have to find? Find the area of the material used. So area of the material used means you have to find the CSA of this frustum plus area of this base, because this part is closed. So area of the base with radius 4 centimeter. So the formula for CSA is pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R2 square. Here I have taken R2 as 4 centimeter. So we have to substitute the values. So pi is given as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into what is R1? 10. 10 plus 4 into 15 plus 22 by 7 into 4 square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 15 plus 22 by 7 into 16. So we can cancel off these two. No need to cancel. We can take 22 by 7 out. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 15 plus 16, which you are getting as 4972 divided by 7, which is equal to 710.28 centimeter square. So the required area is 710.28 centimeter square. Fourth question. The question is this. A container open from the top and made up of metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends as 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Also find the cost of the metal sheet used to make the container if it costs rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. So two questions are there. What is given? First, it is given a frustum. What else is given? The height is given as 16 centimeter and radii of its lower and upper ends. A container opened from the top. Top is opened because it is a container, and lower and upper ends. It's given lower ends first, which I have taken as 8 centimeter, and upper ends is given as 20 centimeter. So radius of the upper ends is 20 centimeter and radius of the lower end is 8 centimeter and lower part is closed. So what you have to find first is find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container. So it is clearly the volume. So you have to find the volume. Volume formula is this: pi by 3 into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. So, and the second question is we need the CSA. So for finding the CSA, we need slant height or lateral length. So, L is root of R1 square minus R2 square, R1 minus R2 whole square plus H square, which is equal to 20 minus 8 whole square plus 16 square, which is equal to root of 12 square plus 16 square, which is equal to root of 144 plus 256, which is equal to 400. The root of this is 20 centimeter. So, we got the slant height as 20 centimeter. So, first what we are going to find is the volume and the cost of the milk. Second part is the metal sheet used and its cost. So, volume is 5 by 3 into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. Here we are going to use the value of pi as 3.14. It is given in the question. So, 3.14 by 3 into 20 square plus 8 square plus 20 into 8 into 16, which is equal to 10,449.92 centimeter cube. 10,449.92 centimeter cube. But what the question is, cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. The cost is given per liter. So, we have to convert this into liters. How can you convert centimeter cube to liters? Divided by 1000. So, 10,449.92 divided by 1000. This will give 10.44, which you can write as 10.45 liters approximately. So, the cost at the rate of 20 per liter, So, cost is 10.45 into 20, which is equal to rupees 209. So, the question is, find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. So, we got the volume as 10,449.92 centimeter cube, and we have to convert this into liters divided by 1000. So, we are getting 10.449, which we have taken as 10.45 liters. So, the cost is 10.45 into 20, which is equal to 209. What's the next question? Find the cost of the metal sheet used. Find the cost of the metal sheet used to make the container if the cost is rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. Rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. So, we need the CSA. So, in this case actually it is a container. So, top part is open and base is closed. So, you have to find CSA plus area of the base of the radius 8 centimeter. So, pi into 3.14 into R1 plus R2, 8 plus 20, what is L, into 20 plus 3.14 into 8 square, which is equal to 1758.4 plus 200.96, which is equal to 1959.36 centimeter square. 1959.36 centimeter square. That is the area of the metal sheet required. What you have to find is cost. Cost is given as 8 per 100 centimeter square. So, 1959.36 into 8 by 100, which is equal to rupees 156.75. This is the cost. Next, fifth question. A metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high and whose vertical angle is 60 degree is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base. If the frustum so obtained is drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 centimeter, find the length of the wire. So the question is, metallic right circular cone of total height 20 centimeter and whose vertical angle is 60 degree. Vertical angle, total angle is 60 degree. So when we cut, it becomes 30 and 30 each. Actually we have to find the length of the wire. How this wire is forming? It is from the frustum. The frustum is converting into a wire. That means volume of the frustum is equal to volume of the wire. So we need to find volume of the frustum, then we have to find the volume of the wire. From there we can find the height of the or length of the wire. So we need the radius. For finding what is given is the total height is given as 20 centimeter. The total height is given as 20 and it is from the middle it cuts, so 10 and 10 each. This O dash O is 10, this is also 10. So what about the radius? I have taken this as R1 and this as R2. So here actually what we are using is the trigonometric ratios. So tan 30, take the first triangle, triangle VOA, triangle VOA. From that tan 30 is equal to OA by VO. But VO is 20, OA we have taken as R1. So the value is 1 by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So R1 is 20 by root 3. Similarly, R2 is 10 by root 3 because consider this triangle, small triangle, triangle VO dash A dash in which tan 30 is R2 by 10. So R2 is 10 by root 3. So we have to find the volume of the frustum. So we got the first one, R1 as 20 by root 3 and R2 as 10 by root 3. So we have to substitute the value 1 by 3. We are not using the value of pi here because we can cancel if you take it. So pi into what is total? 20 into it is 10 because the height is 10, the height of the frustum is 10. So we have to take it as 10 pi into 10 into R1 square. R1 is 20 by root 3, R1 is 20 by root 3. So 400 by 3. What about R2? 10 by root 3. So it is 100 by 3. Then when we multiply R1 into R2, 200 by 3. Which you can write as pi into 10 into 700 by 9, which is equal to 7000 pi by 9 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the frustum. Then volume of the wire we need. Let the height of the wire be 8 centimeter. So the volume of the wire means it is a cylinder. So pi r square h is a formula. Pi into r square into h. And the diameter is given as 1 by 16. So what about the radius? 1 by 32 centimeter. So volume of the wire is equal to pi into 1 by 32 whole square into h. So volume of the frustum is equal to volume of the wire because this frustum is converting into a wire. So 7000 pi by 9 is equal to pi into 1 by 32 into 1 by 32 into h. So we can cancel off these two pi's. So we have to find the value of H. What is H? H is equal to 7000 into 32 into 32 divided by 9, which is equal to 796,444.4 centimeter. So we can convert it into meter. So 7964.4 meter. This is the length of the wire, 7964.4.